everybody. Welcome to part 8 of LM potency. That is, I will deal with the administration of the LM potency. Now, how to administer LM potencies? Let us see how do we do that. So, for that, you take a clean glass bottle having capacity of around 120 to 180 ml of water, that is 4 to 6 ounces, and fill it with 3/4 with water. So in a bottle having a capacity of around 4 to 6 ounces, you fill it 3/4 with water and add one globule of the desired potency in it. So whatever medicine you are taking of LM potency, only one small globule, the size of a poppy seed, you put in the water, and then you succus it 10 to 12 times. And in another glass bottle, you take around 8 to 10 tablespoons of water, and from the first bottle, what you have succussed, you add only 1 teaspoon of this medicine solution to the other bottle and you stir it. Most cases are started with 1 teaspoon and the amount is increased only if necessary. So you see the response and you see if no adequate response is there, then you can increase by keeping 2 tablespoons of the medicinal solution. However, in children, the amount should be half teaspoon, and in infants, it may need to be only 1/4 of a teaspoon. So this is one method in which you have taken a bottle and filled with 3/4 of water. Then you added one globule into it. You've given 10 to 12 succussions. In another bottle, you have put in 8 to 10 tablespoons of water. And from the first bottle, you've only taken 1 tablespoon and put it inside the second bottle, and you have administered to the patient. However, please remember that if 1 teaspoon is not very beneficial, then 2 teaspoons and so on and so forth, you can adjust it. In children, please remember that the dose should be only half teaspoon, and in infants, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, another method is in the same fashion. You take 120 ml of water in a clean glass bottle, again add 1 globule of the desired potency, again succus it 10 to 12 times, and take 1 teaspoon and of that solution and put it in into another glass clean bottle which contains 120 ml of water. And again, you stir or succus it 10 to 12 times. Take 1 teaspoon and the amount is increased only if necessary. In the same way, carry out an improvement occurs. When improvement stops, use the next LM potency and you continue this in the same way as before. So this is also another method of administering the LM potency. In the footnote to Article 247 of the 6th edition of Organon, Hahnemann discusses the new LM posology method. When he introduces the concept of daily doses, he says that the LM potency may be taken daily when necessary. Please remember the word when necessary. When the daily dose is not necessary, it will rapidly produce an over-medicated state in which there will be aggravations or excessive symptoms that change the natural symptom pattern. So that is very important. As long as the patient requires the medicine, you give it. That is why Dr. Hahnemann said when it is necessary. And when the patient has been ameliorated and there are no further symptoms to tackle, then please do not repeat the medicine. As if you repeat the medicine, this will be unnecessary or not necessary, and it will produce a state of an aggravation. Or accessory symptoms may come up with the symptoms of the drug. So only when necessary or when indicated, repeat it. Otherwise, do not unnecessarily repeat the LM potency. Hahnemann also suggested starting the case with the lowest degree. So Dr. Hahnemann said that you start every case by 0/1 potency. If you read his Paris case books, he shows that you start off with 0/1 to 0/3, more rarely 0/4, 0/5, 0/7, or 0/7, or 6 or 7. And this is the first octave of LM potency with the LM 08 starting from the next range. So this will become more clear in the next slide. So Dr. Hahnemann says that the opening potencies are from LM potencies from 0 to 1 by 0 to 7. The middle range written rarely used for opening a case is 0 by 8 to 0 by 10, and higher LM potencies are 0 by 11 to 0 by 30. So whenever you want to open a case, the safest will be start from 0 by 1, and then as improvement occurs, if necessary, then you can go on changing the potency. So the opening potency, I repeat, 0 by 1, 0 by 7, middle range 0 by 8 to 0 by 10, and higher 11 to 30, or LM 11 to LM 30. The Paris casebook shows that Hahnemann constantly alternated placebo with the remedy to control the power of LM remedies. So if you read the Paris casebooks also, Hahnemann has in between given the doses of placebo in order to control the power of the LM remedies. That means what? To avoid an unnecessary sort of an aggravation, the placebos were given. In his journal, he never gave the alternate day dose for a very long without a period of giving placebos and waiting and watching. So in this method also, that placebo was given and the remedy was repeated on alternate days, not for very long, and in between placebos were also given, and the main action was to wait and watch and see the reaction. In the 6th edition of Organon offers a guidebook of how to use the LM potency scale safely and effectively through the opening in the lowest degree, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc., and then ascending through the potency range, that is 0 by 30. So if you read the 6th edition of Organon, he has given, but Hahnemann has said that you safely start with the lower potencies and then gradually increase it to the higher potencies. And also he's given a caution that not to jump the potency. That means if you 0 by 1, then directly don't go to 0 by 5. If you do that, it will cause an aggravation. So that's all about this short video. Please be tuned for the next part, that is part number 9. If you do like my video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.